Gold yesterday created a bullish pin bar right at the support level, and we can see 2751.09 was the support where this bullish pin bar has been created, and we can see that yesterday the price finally formed this bullish break at above 2751.09 after reaching 2738.50. This bullish breakout has been also shared with the traders inside the premium analysis, so if you would like also to receive this kind of a bullish break with the target with a simple sentence where the price could reach, feel free to join the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description, so feel free to try. There is also a free trial to check that. So today we can see that the price is already forming a bullish candle for following this bullish pin bar, which is indication for the further rise in value, and this bullish pin bar is confirmation of this bullish break 2 days ago, which means we have two great signals for the price that it will go further on and further rise in value. We can see already I have open an order with the target reaching 2787.96 as a weekly. We can see that resistance level where the price could reach today. So have in mind that today is a Friday, and usually in the morning and also before afternoon the price tends to follow the technical analysis, but afternoon when the traders are trying to lock their profits going outside of their trades before the weekend starts, usually the price tends to reverse in the opposite direction and not following the technical analysis. So currently what I can see, there is high potential that the price could reach this 2787.96 as a daily target, and then from there we could see the price dropping down. Usually when the price reaches this area of resistance, this is the supply zone, tends to move down, retracing back down. So will that move be so strong like this one? It's hard to say, but I'm expecting that there will be some kind of profit locking, just like I am doing right now. I will try to lock my profit just when the price reaches this area of resistances. We can see that here, and I have on the 4-hour time frame move my take profit below this area of resistance to 787 just before that, just to lock the profits before the price reaches this certain resistance level. So have in mind that it's Friday today, and I am currently seeing the price reaching higher price levels where we can see that the first resistance that needs to be broken is around 2774, and on the 4-hour time frame we can see that 2776.85 is the first resistance that is to be broken in order to continue to rise in value, and we can see on the 1-hour time frame that 2776.85 is the next level that needs to be broken, and after that 2782.75 to reach this resistance level, which is daily and the weekly target. So for now, this is all. If you would like to receive updates on also on other symbols during the day and also during the week, check the premium analysis inside their traders, that gets there also information about the targets, which is currently the last week was highly profitable. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.